And they go deep again, and they got him again. Ross comes back and gets a block. Ross, like a boss, touchdown!
What's with the trash talking? That's what you have to be afraid of. That guy right there.
Well, Kocha had no shot in pursuit here, Rod.
Well, he gets a chance to make everybody in that secondary miss. They had 2 shots at him. Well, Kocha actually had 2 chances to get Ross, and both times Ross ran by.